Imagine waking up in 2030 and finding that the job landscape in Malaysia has transformed dramatically, all thanks to artificial intelligence. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 jobs that AI might take over and what that means for the future of work in our country. First up, we have customer service representatives. With advancements in AI chatbots and virtual assistants, many companies are turning to these technologies to handle customer inquiries. They can respond to questions 24/7, manage multiple conversations at once, and even learn from interactions to improve over time. While this can lead to faster service, it also means that traditional customer service roles could see a significant decline. Next on the list is data entry clerks. This job has been a staple in many organizations, but AI is making it easier to automate data processing. Machine learning algorithms can now extract, analyze, and input data with incredible accuracy. As a result, the demand for manual data entry is likely to decrease, pushing workers to adapt to more complex roles that require human insight and creativity. Third, let's talk about transportation. With the rise of autonomous vehicles, jobs like taxi drivers and delivery personnel could be at risk. Companies are investing heavily in self-driving technology, which promises to reduce costs and improve efficiency. While this innovation could make transportation safer and more convenient, it also raises questions about job security for those who rely on driving for their livelihood. The fourth job on our list is manufacturing and assembly line work. Robotics and AI are already revolutionizing this sector, allowing machines to perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed. As factories become more automated, the need for human labor in these roles may diminish. However, this shift could also create new opportunities in robotics maintenance and programming, emphasizing the need for upskilling. Finally, let's consider the role of financial analysts. AI can process vast amounts of data and identify trends faster than any human can. While this technology can enhance decision-making and risk assessment, it could also mean fewer positions for traditional analysts. The challenge will be for professionals in this field to pivot towards more strategic roles that leverage AI insights rather than compete with them. As we look ahead, it's clear that AI will reshape the job market in Malaysia. While some roles may vanish, new opportunities will emerge, demanding a workforce that is adaptable and skilled in technology. It's crucial for us to embrace lifelong learning and stay ahead of the curve. What do you think about these changes? Are you ready to adapt to the future of work? Share your thoughts, and let's start a conversation about how we can navigate this evolving landscape together.